Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my last tutorial, we learned about circle, arc and slot command. You can find the links of my previous tutorials in the description below. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about polygon command. So select the polygon sketch entity from the sketch command manager tab. From this command, you can create equilateral polygon with any number of sides between 3 and 40 in the same way as a circle. So first click for the center location of the polygon, drag your cursor, second click for the radius of the polygon. Now in the property manager, here you can see the option for construction. If you check this option, your polygon is converted to a construction line, so you can use it as a reference. Next is parameter. You can specify your number of sides of the polygon. If you want 8 for octagon, now see your polygon has a 8 number of sides. If you want hexagon, 6. Now next is inscribed circle. That means your construction circle is inside the polygon, means the diameter of the construction circle is equal to the distance between two opposite sides of the polygon. Next is circumscribed circle. That means your construction circle is outside of the polygon and the diameter of the construction circle is equal to the distance between two opposite vertex of the polygon. Now here you can specify the center point location by x and y coordinate. Here you can specify the diameter of the construction circle, and here you can specify the angle of the polygon. Now you can draw multiple polygon also, or you can click on new polygon. These options are same. Now if you close the dialog here and again draw a polygon, now you can't see the dialog box here for properties of the polygon, so you can't edit its sides or can't specify the center location, so you don't have the property manager if you close the dialog box, but you are still in the command. So if you escape or exit the command, now if you want to edit any of these polygon, so you have a option. You have to click on any side of the polygon, then right click, and here you can find the edit polygon option. So now you can find the property manager tab here. Now you can edit your polygon. If you want to edit this, select this one, right click, edit polygon. Now you can edit your polygon here. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial. Bye.